Imvumi eyaziwayo nethandwa kakhulu uJudith Sephuma ukhuphe icwecwe lakhe elitsha nelithi When Winter Fades. Ulapha estudio ukusixelela banzi ngeli cwecwe. Sisiya kwamkela kwakhona emva kokuthatha ikhefu leminyaka emihlanu. Ubuyile ngoku necwecwe lakho elitsha elithi When Winter Fades. Khasicacisele ngetitle yeli cwecwe.
Ndiyabulela kakhulu. Thank you so much for having me. When Winter Fades is here after a 5-year break. And ngoku, I think abantu abamameli bethu bebeyilindele for isikhashana le album. So I found it fitting ukuthi iphume ngoku ngaleli xesha because we're going into a festive la siyonwaba khona. Is summer season, and When Winter Fades talks exactly about that. Ukuthi fanele manje siyeke konke okusihluphayo enhlizweni zethu and sonwabe and celebrate with family.
So yeyiphi yona nto abangayilindela kulo liyajayivisa?
Akakhulu. Fanele bafunda amagama, they must learn the lyrics of ingoma ngoba we are bringing the album to eCity Next to You. Sizawubavakashela njena everywhere nase-PE sizawufika. Cape Town we are going, and kuzoba i-album launch but sizawuqala apha eJoburg nge-28 zaka February next year e-Emperor's Palace, just making sure ukuthi abantu bayayithola le album. So bafanele bafunde ama-lyrics, mina ndiyajayivisa.
Kwecwecwe unayo nengoma ethi Makeba nethi Call My Name. Ezingoma zombini, enye dedicated to the late umama Miriam Makeba, enye to umama uLetha Mbulu. Why ukhethe la maqala amabini?
Ndibathanda gqithi. Umama Makeba, especially umama Makeba, dedicated specifically, ingoma ethi Makeba kuye. Nimameleni ijayivisa over leyo ngoma ke.
Wow.
So it's only because umama Makeba, they left us such a beautiful legacy. Umama Makeba ingoma zabo zizikhulisile. Sikhule zimamela ingoma zabo, and we are la sikhona ngoku ngaleli xesha. And esicula ingoma and the style lesicula ngaso ngoba bavule indlela for thina ukuthi sibe the artists that we are today, respected, loved, and abantu mabesibuka they see them. So mama sicula lezi ngoma lezi fanele sibayenza ukuthi singabakhohlwa. Angeke sikwazi ukubakhohlwa because they left us such a good legacy. So it's befitting to celebrate them. Basa umama Letha Mbulu sasekhona, celebrate her all the time. Umama Makeba akasasekho, so we will continue to celebrate her. Siyamkhumbula.
Phambi kokuba sikhulule ke sisi, ingaba abantu abakuthandayo abalandeli bakho baza kubona phi kwezolite kulo December?
Kwezi holiday khona ngizobe ngisevale, ngicela ukuthi bangilandelele kwi-social media yami. Ngizobe ngipostile lapho ezininzi ama-performances akhona nase-State Theatre zobe sikhona nge-6 zaka December, and then bese siya eVal noSilalo Soluta sine-collaboration noSilalo nge-22 November e-Emerald Casino. So if nikhona around Joburg or niyakwazi ukugibela ibhanoyi nize izani kuzaba mandi gqithi, izani kuzaba mandi sonwabe sonke. And then otherwise I'm on social media, Judith Sephuma, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, TikTok, konke. And then ningakhohlwa i-album launch is on the 28th of February at Emperor's Palace. Tickets are available already ku web tickets, so I can't wait. I'm so excited.
Nkosi kakhulu sisi, siyabulela kakhulu ngexesha lakho.
Nami ndiyabulela.
Masibaleke sibheke evenkileni.